Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Khanflicks. Today we'll be looking at Aquibear, a reverse osmosis device that allows you to go ahead and take any kind of water and create a purified water in a matter of minutes. Now, the way it works is quite interesting. The fact that it boils water and does reverse osmosis to go ahead and give you clean water. Literally, you can go ahead and pour Coke, coffee, whatever, and it'll go ahead and give you purified water to drink from. So if you guys wanted your very own, be sure to check out their campaign in the link down below in the description. And in this episode here, we'll be unboxing it, trying it out, and seeing exactly what it can do. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so this here is our box. Alright, so this here is our Aquibear RO. Now it works to be a reverse osmosis, which is kind of cool. So what it does is it takes dirty water, soda, coffee, whatever, and it'll go ahead and filter it and create this purified water, which will go in here. And then you can go ahead and disperse it from this particular nozzle here and just drink it up. Now, very interesting concept on how it works, because generally something like this is usually massively big. So it comes with this little magnetic tray, which is kind of neat. So you just go ahead and do that and just kind of clip there. So this here is for our water tray. In the back here we have our actual water itself that we like, our dirty water or Coke, whatever, it'll go in here. In this case, we'll be actually using coffee and see how that plays out. And then this here will be our filtered water. So this is our purified water, will be in here. And then you can go ahead and dispense it by using the button over here to go ahead and drink from here. So I have some coffee, cold coffee, I think. Yeah, it's cold now. And we'll pour it inside here. So what I will do is go ahead and cap this off. And then we'll place this over here. Just like that. We'll go ahead and hit this button here. I'm just gonna keep this underneath here just for now because I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't see any purified water yet, but it is boiling. That's a fact, it's boiling. Oh, there we go, it's coming, it's coming. That is wicked! Water level is literally up to here now. So the water should be coming out of here into here. There we go! That is our purified coffee water. Coming back as fresh water. All right, well, there you guys have it. So we went ahead and did reverse osmosis on our coffee water and made purified water. And you can drink this without any problem. So pretty cool stuff. Some other features include you can go ahead and change the temperature on this. You can go ahead and do hot or cold water. You can choose the amount of fluid ounces that you're looking for. And then obviously you can go ahead and just filter any kind of water, which makes it really nice to use. So yeah, there you guys have it. Now if you guys had any questions about the Aquibear, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching and we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.